Hello guys, welcome to another recap for today, September 4th, 2025. We're closing the day up $443.50, but after commissions we are down $145. Okay, I traded so many contracts today, and as you can see, I paid $540 of commissions. I took some good trades, but unfortunately, the timing was wrong or my sizing was wrong. Seems like this is what's going on right now in my trading journey. Overall, I had a good reading. Then towards the afternoon, I start losing it a little bit, and so I had to leave and come back after. Okay, so if we looking at the 10 minutes, the thing that I've noticed as I came into the session today was this upper resistance that we had over the last 4 days. That was an area where the market went down. We had a clear support. We broke the support, we went down, and then we recovered all the way back up. And yesterday we tested overnight as well, but we weren't able to break. Okay, so clearly I was thinking of a break on the upside, and eventually we got there. As you can see, the market's moving up, but to get there, it took a long price action in terms of opening of the session till today, till now, okay, which is almost 3:30. So at the opening we had this huge candle. Okay, I was long at the opening, looking for a move right above these resistance, and eventually the market moved all the way up. Then it got sold at the top, and we have this huge wick. So I tried to buy the dip as we were coming down, but the market came right back down and it kicked me out. Okay, then as we moved down after this huge spike down, I saw the market finding some support at the 200 EMA, and here we have a beautiful opening range setup, which I did notice and I did enter, but unfortunately I only entered with the 6 MNQ and I did not hold the position, because if I would have held the position, then now we would have all these big move up, which would have been from 457 all the way up to 636. Okay. I was too zoomed in, I think, and I also overtraded just the simple moves, because if I look into this, there were basically two trades. One was or maybe three. One was a short at the opening, targeting the 200 EMA, and then the second one was the opening range long, which was beautiful setup, and I did take, but I closed it too early, and then the market kept going up. But I traded all the way from the opening to 12:30, and then I took another trade at 1 o'clock. Okay, it wasn't an easy session for all those deals that we had. But the opening range was a real trade that we were supposed to take advantage of today, and we weren't able to do that in the best possible way. But overall, again, it's $145 red day. It's not a big red day. I could have done better. Also, I had too many lines on the charts, and so I completely got blinded by them and couldn't see the full pictures. Okay, as you can see, as I take off all the lines that I put, the support, you can see how clearly the market moved down, and then we have the opening range here at around 10:30, and the market kept moving up. So all I had to do is hold in that opening range trade and let the market do its thing. Good thing about today, I did notice those setups. Also had another setup that unfortunately could not find right now. Was taken from the 60 minutes. Okay, it was a break of support and break of support and retest. Let's see. I think I was looking at the 2 minutes as we opened into the session, and let me see if I can find it right here. Okay, so that's 10 minutes. So you're gonna switch to the 2 minute charts. There was an area where the market kept going again and again and again. Okay, and then he moved right back in, and he broke it, I think. So here you go. This was the area that I was looking for. Okay, that was the area that we couldn't break. Then we broke it. We came right back for the setup. Boom, and we flushed down. That was a beautiful break and retest of this area that I unfortunately took, but did not take full advantage of. Just some point out 22 contracts into this. It's a bit messy if I add the marks of my entry and exit because I traded so much. And again, commissions definitely made me pay that trading so much. But here, as you can see, that's insane. Let's see if we can look into the text and marks. I can't even see what the fuck how it's doing, but as you can see here, let's see the area. I see the market was coming down. Let's see 2 minutes. Now on the break, I waited for the retest. Here I was a short at some point at 22 contracts. Look at that, 16 contracts here, but I could not hold the position. That was a really good trade. Unfortunately, I timed it wrong, and I fully was not able to capitalize on the opportunity. But next time I'll try to add on the retest a little bit heavier and hold it all the way down. Okay. Overall, it wasn't a bad day. It wasn't even a great day. It was a rough market to trade today. There was this opening range, which I still think about it. It was great setup, and couldn't capitalize fully on it. And I have to try to take less trades and take only the best and put the right sides into them because obviously I'm trading too much. As you can see, I'm up $443 on the day, but after commissions I'm down 145. So this is all for me today, guys. Overall, it's not a bad day, it's not a great day. It's just one of those days where we did what we had to do, but nothing much happened. So I'll see you tomorrow. Please like the video, leave a comment, and if you have any questions. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.